Sorry for a late video, guys. So this is part 1. Camera will be a bit blurry because I forgot to set it. I don't know how I got that thing, but I'll get it fixed. I'll mess with it.
I was like, no, they come in packs of 6. Oh my God, senior care checklist.
Oh my God, something.
Hey, I can use it for my grandpa. Yeah, they come in. Oh yeah, 2. The 6, or yeah, 6 to one of us to take 20. I'm like, oh, what?
Don't listen to him, man. Listen to this.
Senior care checklist.
Are we going to get a storm, David, or not?
It's already here.
No, it's already here?
Look outside in the kitchen window.
I ain't let them know where I get one.
Okay then, that's your opinion. Yes, I know my camera's a bit blurry, but I don't know how I got it like this, but I'll mess with it. But I don't care if I don't even care if the power goes out, because I really have work to do about lighting. This power will be off for like all night and boom. That's it. All night and comes back on in the morning. It's not big of a deal. I mean, what do you want to do? Anyway, enjoy this video. I'll tell any updates to this is a curve. It's a very hot day today. I'm actually in the door. That's why the camera's a bit blurry. It's about where heat coming in. The dew point's ridiculous. I mean, the dew point's ridiculous. There you go. The blur's going away. Still messing with it. It's actually lighting because
She lost her electric first. She lost hers for Rusty. That's always something.
we lost it 2.5 days here. You know, knocked out half of the city last month, and now here it goes. We got a storm right now. The wet stuff is on top of us. That means the winds are really pushing severely. Couple days? That's lightning, man. There we go. The camera's fixed. Yes, man. Come on. One reason why I won't wear America because Wagner needs someone. Come on, go out so they can be part. I want them to whine, so I want the lights to go out. I don't care. I don't care what kind of power goes out. I want it out. Power flashers. There we go.
I can be drunk for 2 days, man, and walk up and go, give me some goddamn fucking
Yeah. You should have said that because that's fun to probably scare you. Anyway, my dad is drunk again. Don't listen to him. Yes, come on. Where's the... Oh no, it's a ball echo. Look at this. That's a ball echo. You can look very closely. Look very closely back in the field. That is a ball echo.
Yeah, Davey gets mad at me. He's like, what do you want? Come on.
There's a ball echo, guys. And that might be a ball echo beginning right there. Because every time the storm moves in, the heavy stuff is back there. Thunderstorm behind Thunderstorm is just a big red stuff lightning. After the lightning passes, which is almost over, that's when the bar echo comes in. It's still building up. That's cooling off. That is the most beautiful cloud ground lightning strike ever. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you guys don't mind, can I turn this light off? There we go. Now I got a better. There we go. It's actually these lights. They all go off at once. That means the power has failed. Okay? Because this street light right here, that street light right here is actually hooked to a electric plug back there somewhere.
A little mini one. Oh, little tiny little, looks like size like egg. Is that for laptops?
Whoa, nice. That's very nice.
Like size of egg.
I don't know, some kind of hand signal that needs a thunder of lightning. Well, I don't know who's doing that. But I bet some power outages already going to it's bad. There is power outages, but I don't know where though.
That's what I was told from the pyramids, man.
Hold on.
Actually, I'll tell you what we have to do until my roll is well, we can roll around.
Usually it's a lightning strike right from us, and so yeah. Where's the weird stuff at? There, yeah, right in the top of us. I don't know, you guys can go lightning strikes. Because I was facing them, it's daylight. Finally, it's a hit here like 2-3 hours later.
And we got to where like we wake up in the morning, we didn't have cigarettes, so we had to try to roll something real quick. Yeah, that's what we were going.
You know what? I think the most lightning strike actually hits over there.
Yeah, we had one of those. Yeah, we got big silver one.
Way over there somewhere, those lightning strikes.
No, this one was a silver one.
Stay tuned for more updates.
But then they had another one, some red one. Round. Yeah.